Here's how to scale your brand's attention across Google, YouTube, TikTok, ChatGPT, podcasts, and 300 plus other sites. One topic, 8 content formats, 5 minutes of input, all published everywhere your buyers are searching before they buy. And here's why this is so important. And all of this builds your organic traffic across search, social, video, podcasts, news, and AI recommendations without spending on ads. So let us get started. The thing you want to do after logging in is click the Amps tab up here, followed by the Create Amp button down here. The first step is to provide a brief description of the company, its mission, services, or main products. You can add a new company, edit an existing one, or choose from the drop-down box. We will use the Closet Company as an example. Fill out the About section here. If you are unsure what to write, you can see an example by clicking here. Then click Next. Now we are providing a topic for the AMP. The topic is the main idea or focus. It could be a product, service, or any key message you want to promote. If you are unsure what topic to choose, we recommend using our AI tool. Click the link here. Once Headline Pig V2 loads, all you need to do is enter an idea related to your business, product, or service, and the pig will do the rest. We are going to use IKEA closet pricing as our subject. Click Sniff Topics. Just like that, we now have a long list of topics we can use in individual AMP campaigns. Topics you would not find using keyword tools. These are all topics with buyer intent that will drive buyer traffic to your website, business, product, or service. For this example, we will grab the first one. You can also download the list, copy it, and transfer it to a Google Doc if you prefer. Copy that first topic and move to the next page. The next step is to enter the URL you'd like people to visit when they see your published content. In this example, we'll use the homepage of the site we want to promote. But you can also choose specific pages like product sales pages or blog posts, depending on where you would like to drive the most organic traffic with this campaign. Then click Next. Next step is to add a link for a source of information for Ampcast AI to feed from when writing the content. In this case, we will use the homepage of the website. We can also add other pages from the website or different sources across the web. Then click Next. The next phase is simple. We need to select an image for the campaign. Click to add media. Once open, you can select from files you have already uploaded by ticking the top left of the image, or search your media library. Just enter a keyword related to the topic. In this case, I will search closets. You will see a long list of images related to that keyword. Select one or choose to generate with AI, then click Confirm. Click Next. That is everything Ampcast AI needs to create your news article, blog post, interview podcast, long-form video, reels, shorts, infographic, flipbook/slideshow, and social posts, ready for multicasting everywhere and optimized for each platform. You will be able to review, refine, and approve everything before you publish. For advanced members that understand our strategy, you can also choose to generate headlines only. This creates headlines for each media format, and then you can go through individually and create each piece using Ampcast AI. For everyone else, click Generate Content now. The content will generate over the next 5 minutes. Perfect time to start creating your next Ampcast AI campaign. And that is done. Here is what you have got. In a matter of minutes, with barely any input, Ampcast AI has created an entire content campaign around this topic. Here is your news article, professionally written, ready to go out to major news sites and build your credibility when people search for you. Here is your blog post, longer form, packed with detail, optimized for search traffic. This is the kind of content that keeps working for you months down the line. Your interview-style podcast. This goes out to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and other podcast platforms where your buyers are listening. Your flipbook/slideshow, a polished professional presentation ready for slideshow and PDF sites. Your infographic, a visual breakdown of your topic designed to capture image searches on places like Pinterest. Your long-form video, for YouTube and video sites. Your short-form reels, for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. These are the formats dominating attention right now. And you also have social posts automatically created when publishing the campaign. You now have 8 pieces of high-quality content from one topic. Content that would normally take a team weeks to produce and cost thousands of dollars. You did it in minutes. All of this grows your organic traffic and sales across Google, YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, news sites, and more without spending on ads. Now, to publish. Hit the Go to Publish button here. You also need to choose a category for the AMP. Keep this simple. Just choose one from the drop-down box that most closely fits your industry. Then you have the option to upgrade and include even more sites in your distribution. Read through the different options here to see which ones you would like to add. Agree to all of the terms here. Make sure to read them if you are unsure before you agree. Once ready, hit Checkout or Publish, depending on whether you have credits on your account, to get this AMP distributed across our network of 300+ sites. And that is it. Your brand everywhere, instantly.